Hey streamers, you've been trying to find a way to elevate your setup? I got something for you. Let's go.
Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is go to sammi.solutions, and that's going to bring you to the home page of their website. You're going to go to the download button at the top right, and that's going to bring you to their downloads page. There's going to be a black box in the middle of the page with a red download now button. Click it, and then you'll have the option to pay if you'd like. It is a free program. I think it's worth $1 million, but you can just put 0 and click the link right above it. Then at the top, there will be the download 64-bit zip. Do that one unless you have a different kind of computer. Make sure you put it in your documents though. Do not put it in your local disk C drive or any other networking drives. This will be your folder. Make sure you go to the Sammi core application to open it. Before you do that, go ahead and right click it and then go to properties, click compatibility, scroll down, and run the program as an administrator. It's going to help you in the future. Hit OK. And then when you open it, this is what you're going to look like, except yours is going to have way less stuff. But it's fine, you'll get there. Open OBS connections. If you're on OBS 28, you should be good to just click connect over on the left once you add your connection. If you're on 27, you'll click WebSocket 4. That port 4444 will be correct. But then you're going to go over to your Twitch connections. I already have mine, so I'm going to revoke the token. When I did that, the lights on the left for pub, sub, and chat went red. So we're going to go right back there, click link streamer account, hit authorize, and once you do that, you'll notice that the green lights will be back up on the side. But your bridge light will still be red. So let's go back to the folder, click the bridge folder, and then we're going to go to the bridge Chrome file in the folder. Click that, and it's going to pull up this page right here. You're going to go to the top, copy that link, right-click copy, and then you're going to go on over to your OBS program, click Docs, Custom Browser Docs, and you're going to name that doc Bridge, and in the box next to it, you are going to paste that link that you just got. Hit Apply, okay. And then you'll have a dock with your bridge on it. That should make your light all green and good to go.
Once you're done with all that, you can go back to sammi.solutions, read some of the documentation. You can drop a follow. I'm going to be making more Sammi Solutions content. Go ahead and drop a comment with something you'd like to learn how to do, and I'll definitely get to showing it to you. Have a good one.